Again, this is Alfredo Salvador, and I'm here for MS Access tutorial. I'll be teaching you how to prepare this report. In this report, in the previous lesson, I've shown you how to prepare the record source. The record source is very important because without the record source, you will not be able to prepare a report. So after you prepare a report, you are now ready to prepare. After you prepare the record source, you will be ready to prepare the report. Now, in this lesson, I will teach you how to create from the blank report. Second, I will explain to you the parts of the blank report and how to define the record source. In the next and this will be followed by another lesson, how to drag the fields, how to place the fields inside the blank report, and how to create the header, and how to design how to make this report more readable or more presentable. Okay, but we will be focusing only on the details. For the grouping, for the index will be done in the other lessons. Okay, so let us immediately go to our database, the Microsoft Access. Click this one. Now, our database is Comseville Trading Company version 2, and we need the record source. And this is our record source is the query customer. We have prepared this, and after finishing the query customer, we'll be doing now the report. Now there are many ways how to prepare the report. You will go to the create and go to the report group, and in the report group you can create the report by clicking the report, blank report, report wizard, or report design. But I will show you how to create the report using the blank report button. Click blank report, and you will be in the layout view, and we need to go to the design view. So click this. In order to go to the design view, click this view button, view group, and it's in the click this one, and from the report view, let us go to the design view. From the layout view, let's go to the design view. Now, I will explain to you what is the detail, what is the page header. The detail, this is the location where you place the data of your report. The page header, you place the header or the labels of each data. You play anything that you place in the page header repeats in every page. Like for example, let's go to the report again, to our sample report. The company name, customer address, office telephone number, fax number, these are headers, and these were placed in the page headers because you would like to repeat this from the first page till the end of your report. Now you place this, your data, you place this in the detail. The data were always placed in the detail. So let's go back again to Microsoft Access. Now there's another header which is hidden, and that is the report header. The report header, in order to unhide the report header, right click in the page header or in the detail, right click, and then go click the report header. Now we have no detail, page header, and report header. In the report header, any data that you place inside the report header will be shown only in the first page. So this is good for the title, for the date. So in our sample report, we'll place these customer contact details and these dates in the report header because we would like this to be shown only in the first page. Okay, so come back again to the our database. So now the last part of this lesson, I will show you how to define our record source. Currently, we don't have any field list because we don't have any record source. So in order to have a field list that we're going to be placed inside this report, we need first to define our record source. How to do that? Let's in the design tab, look for the tools group and click the property sheet. Now once the property sheet is shown, make sure that this in the selection type is a report. If not, click this arrow and look for the report. This is alphabetically arranged, so click for the report. Now if the report is already here, anything that you define in these properties will be reflected in the report. So what we require is at the moment is to define the record source. So format, click the data tab. In the data tab you will find the record source field, and next to record source field there's an arrow. Click this arrow and look for your record source. In this case, our record source is the query customer. So once the query customer is here, if you click this add existing fields from the design tab, tools group, add existing fields, we will now have a field list. Now this field list we will be used to place here, and I will show you that in the next lesson. So see you in the next lesson.